Hi guys, my name is Bridget Sturbence. I'm a student at Cal State Long Beach, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a macrame plant hanger as a holiday gift. It uses little to no packaging, uses organic materials, and I think it looks really cute in small apartments as all of us are students at Cal State Long Beach. So the first thing you're going to need is some hemp rope. This one I just got here at Michael's. You're going to need some scissors. Tape is optional. I didn't use it, but it could be helpful. And a yard measurement. Okay, so I used the yard measurement to measure out 3 feet of 8 strips of the hemp. They're all connected at the top with one loop so that you can hang your macrame plant hanger. I cut the bottom loops and left the top one intact, as you can see here. And right here, I'm just showing you that I'm counting 8 strands. And they all are about the same length. And then I'm just going to go ahead and tie it in a really simple knot. There's other ways that you can do this, but I decided the best way would just be to keep it as simple as possible. Having a little bit of a struggle here, but alright. And then once you have that knot secure, you're going to separate the first 2 strands away from each other. I'll show that in a second. Okay, so the first 2 are going to be away from each other, and then you're going to group them by 2s into 3 other strands. It kind of looks like an octopus. You're going to knot all of those at the exact same spot. I believe this was 5 to 6 inches away from the original knot. And then go ahead and connect those last 2 ones that we left separate. And this is going to make it so it's like a circle that can hold your plant. And then I'm going to do the same thing about 3 inches away from those knots, but connecting the opposite strands. So this makes it a full circle. It makes it be able to hang anything, and it'll be really secure. Same thing with the outer 2. And then I just went ahead and I grabbed about an 8-inch piece of string, and I wrapped that around the strings that are hanging. I did like a simple knot and then wrapped around to make it a little bit pretty. There's no real rhyme or reason to this. It's just to secure the bottom. And then I went ahead and tucked that underneath itself and secured it, and then cut the end off so that it would look pretty. And it's going to look something like this. And you can do these at all different lengths. You can make them smaller or bigger depending on the size of your plant, but it looks really cute and I think your friends will really appreciate it. Alright, so thanks for watching. Come back for more sustainable holiday gift ideas.